Today we're going to take a quick look at disassembling this H&K Mp5 22 rifle. This thing is a lot of fun to own. It's a great plinker, a lot of fun to shoot, and if you have any children, this is a great way to get them introduced into shooting in general. So the first thing you're going to want to do, remove your magazine, pull your action back and make sure that there are no rounds chambered, nothing that's going to shoot your fingers off. For this disassembly, you are going to want your bolt, your action all the way forward, not locked back or anything like that. Just make sure it's all the way forward. Next step, pull off your faux suppressor here to expose that long, tiny little barrel in there. It's kind of goofy. Go ahead and put your adjustable stock all the way forward. After that, we have two pins. That is kind of like a regular AR setup, but just a little bit different. Pop those pins through, pull them out the other side, and notice that they are two different sizes. The small one goes in the front, the larger one goes in the back here. After that, you can pull your adjustable stock off, and your trigger and handle assembly here slides right out. Really easy. Next, after that, you can turn it over and just slide this entire assembly out. And there's your guts, there's your internals. This is a really simple gun with a really tiny barrel. So at this point, you're free to go in, clean, lube, everything you want. Go ahead and put it back together when you're done with that. There's that. Get that back in there. Don't forget to put your stock on the back. There we go. This thing is like putting Legos together. It's really easy. There we go. That's a quick look at taking the H&K Mp5 22 apart, reassembling it. Thanks for watching.